Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn the letter S. So this is letter S, uppercase S, lowercase s, and the sound is S. S. Let's see the pictures and the words which starts with the sound S. S. Star. Star. Sandals. Sandals. Sun. Sun. Snowman. Snowman. So this is letter S and the sound is S. So these are the pictures and the words which starts with the sound S. Let's see. Let's match the uppercase S. So this is uppercase S and this is lowercase s. Again the sound is S. S. Okay, let's learn how to write the letter S. See, letter S. S. Sheep. S. Ship. S. Sparrow. S. Sparrow. Let's learn how to write letter S. So we will keep our finger like this, go up, down, again curve, letter S, letter S. So see, uppercase S and the lowercase s looks similar, but uppercase S we write from the upper line to the third line. So first we will touch here at the top 1, 2, 3 lines. So we will write letter S in 3 lines, but so this is uppercase S and we will write uppercase S in 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 lines, and we will write letter S, lowercase s, in the same way like this only, but it will be short. For example, these are 4 lines. Between 2 lines in the middle we will write lowercase s. You can see the difference. ये वाला s यहाँ से start हो रहा है, ऊपर से 3 lines में touch हो रहा है, and this is lowercase s जो कि बीच की 2 lines में ही है. So let's write the uppercase S. Uppercase S. Again uppercase S. Let's write without the dots. Uppercase S. So similarly you can also take the revision by writing in this way. So let's revise. Let's write lowercase s between 2 lines. Lowercase s. Lowercase s. Let's write without dots. We will use 2 lines only in the middle. Up, down, curve, lowercase s. Again curve, again curve, lowercase s. So this is all about letter S. So we can say this is letter S and the sound is S. Thank you.